So Gretchen, you have 3 kids as well as a husband in the military, and you certainly know firsthand the challenges of trying to get dinner on the table, especially even sometimes when you're the only one at the helm. What tips do you have for families who are in the same boat as you?
Well, many people have a lot of success with meal planning and menu planning at the beginning of the week. And some people really like to have that organization in place. But for some people, it's just too much of a stressor and they can't get it all together. I am one of those people. So what I can do is have healthy foods in my pantry, in my fridge, and stock my fridge full of healthy proteins like fish and fruits and vegetables and simple whole grains like rice. Because in a perfect world, I would have a different variety of meals for my children every single night. But sometimes when you have a busy schedule and maybe you're a single parent, having a meal on the table that's healthy that you know your children will eat is really the most important thing. If that's a one-pan meal of roasted fish with some fresh vegetables and maybe potatoes that you know your children will eat, I call it a win.